Hello, I'm Michaela with Girls Who Code, back with step 1 of part 4 in the Poetry Remix tutorial. In this step, we'll learn how to create a string and add two strings together. By the end of this step, our program will replace the last line of each verse with user input. In the last part, we learned about different data types. We'll focus on the data type string in this step. As a reminder, when we say data type string, we mean letters or words. In Python, strings are created by putting quotes around letters and words. And in our print statement, for example, we are actually displaying one string. What do you think would happen if we added two strings together? Imagine what the outcome would be if we tried water plus melon. Let's run the code and find out. The two strings combined into one string, and this new string would be watermelon. We can also combine strings using variables. Let's add variables in our print statements to try this out. We will focus on the first print statement, we are not friends. We want to replace the word friends with the first variable we made, relation. So we'll delete the word friends here, but keep a space between not and the quotes. Next, outside the quotes, but still inside the parentheses, we need to type a plus sign. This tells the program to combine the string with the values that come after it. Here, that value is the variable we call relation, so we'll type that in. Make sure you spell the variable exactly how you spelt it when you created the variable. Now when we run our code, it prompts us for user input. We'll type in family, then fill out the rest with food, cook, 3. Before we press enter, how do you think the first print statement will display when we run our code? Let's hit enter. When we take a look at our new poem, the first line of the poem now uses the user input. Woohoo! We are not family. Let's add variables to our other print statements. In the second print statement, we'll erase laughs. We'll put the cursor in between the quote and parentheses, then type plus noun. In the third print statement, we will erase spend. We will put the cursor in between the quote and parentheses, then type plus verb. Let's run the code to test it out. For the input, I will put family, food, cook, and 3. Now when the poem displays in the console, the last word is replaced with family, food, and cook. That's it for step 1. In the next step, we'll learn how to add integers and change variable values.